Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I wanted to talk to you about why I don't use traditional salon professional shampoo and conditioner and why I use cream cleanser instead. And the first reason is I really like hair that doesn't look oily on the top, but the ends kind of have that 1 day dirty, 1 or 2 day dirty, sort of lived in, kind of supple, sort of bedhead sort of a vibe. I don't like hair that's soft, flat, fluffy, and just hanging there. So for me, the thing with shampoo is that it strips all the oil off your hair and scalp, but it leaves the hair really kind of flat and dried out. And then we use a bunch of conditioners and a bunch of leave-in conditioners and a bunch of curl activators just to kind of replace that moisture, that hold, and that body that your natural, supple moisture in your hair would have totally provided for you. Which is why we all like our hair better when it's dirty, but then it starts to get yucky, and then we're like, ugh, I have to shampoo today, I'm gonna have a bad hair day. And you don't have to have a bad hair day on cleansing day. So I wanna talk to you about New Wash and how to use it. So this is it. This is a little bag of it, and I like the original version 90% of the time. If your hair is super, super dry from color, or because it's coarse and gray, or if you're really, really dry and curly, then the rich version. I don't use the deep version. Sorry, hair story, I'm not into it. I'm just giving you my tried and true. The way to use it is to use as much shampoo and conditioner as you would New Wash. So if you were gonna put your shampoo and your conditioner in your hand together, that's how much New Wash you use. So it's $1, $2. Rub it in, use your fingertips, the pads of your fingers, and scrub, 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 scrub. Leave it on for 3 minutes so it does its conditioning thing, and then rinse, 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 and air squeeze, towel squeeze. Let it air dry, and you're going to have like more movement and texture than you ever thought you would have. So that's my truth about it. If your hair is fine and you think it gets weighed down, it's because you're not using enough product and there's still dirt in your hair. Thank you so much. That's my little tip for the day, and you have a beautiful Wednesday.